Are you praying to the porcelain gods, John? What are you doing?
I think it's time to get rid of this toilet seat.
My plastic toilet seat?
Yeah.
It's seen better days.
Yeah, they're very comfortable and they're brand new, but the problem is after a while they get old, they start cracking. It gets unsanitary.
It's
you really
rusting.
Can't. Yeah, these rust and start leaving spots and.
Yeah, and it ripped and.
Yeah, ripped here, ripped there.
All right, so you suggest no more plastic padded.
I'm not a fan of these because I feel like, germs can hide on them real easy.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
So.
All right, so today's video is how to change out your toilet seat.
Yes. So,
all right. What do we have to do?
Of course, the first thing is you're gonna pop this in the back. Use this.
Oh, they have like
a cap.
Little caps.
So you pop the cap up. The cap up. I'll get them both at the same time. All right. So this has a sliding. Each cover is gonna have a different technique. Some have steel pins. Some have round pins, but in general, this has a square pin, which is very unusual actually. So you're gonna go underneath, and there's gonna be a nut underneath you.
Yep. Let me go underneath with you. Hold on. Let's see.
See, up in here, it's kind of from underneath. You see that right there?
I don't know that I see it.
It's very hot. Yeah. I mean, I could take it off and then show you. So.
Okay. Do that, because I don't think I'm showing anything. Handy dandy channel locks.
You can use different things. You can find a nut, a socket that can fit it. Go ahead and use these.
Now what you doing?
The hard part is that you got to get your initial loosen with the pair of pliers, then you do the rest with your hand. Now sometimes you have these that are steel, and you got to cut them off because they rust. I've had them when they rusted and I had to use a sawzall. But these new modern ones tend to be plastic, so they don't rust. Alright, so there's the nut. The nut actually should have been up that way. Somebody put the nut that way. So it makes it trickier to take off. See, this is supposed to sit from underneath. Okay. Alright, so one's done. See? Now I gotta do this side. Same thing, the other one's backwards too. I don't know why. To play. Sometimes you can cut them if you have to, because sometimes they're metal and they're so rusted you can't get them out.
Okay, well, we have a little cleaning to do before the new one goes on. All right, the new one, which came from Amazon, doesn't quite match, but it's all right. We'll live. And you like this one because?
I like it because it's more sanitary. Like when you clean, you get into a hard surface. Hard surfaces needs things more sanitary.
Okay.
And this one works like this, actually.
What are you doing?
You gotta push from underneath the head in.
Oh.
I think. There you go. Now it's clicked. See how I push that in? See the teeth here?
Mm-hmm.
That grabs the head.
Interesting.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. And that. Push in position.
All right.
And then you put these on. So it's righty-tighty. That's how you tighten it.
Okay.
This works nice. I like this. See how nut on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
You tighten as much as you can with your hand. And then I'm gonna go with the wrench just to get it where it's a little tighter.
You want the wrench?
Yeah. This I should really use an adjustable wrench because this is gonna a little rough on it. I didn't care as much when I was using the other one.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm gonna use an adjustable wrench this way I get a better feel.
While we wait for John to come back, the only thing that I worry about is this seat going to be cold in the wintertime?
Got one of these.
Yep.
Adjustable wrench.
Okay. And it says make sure the seat is centered on the...
See it's centered. Snap this. They say you know what?
Even though the instructions say to tighten it until it snaps off, maybe we leave it on. God forbid we ever want to take this thing off again.
It makes it easy to take it off.
Yeah, so then let's not snap it off, even though it says the lower part of it can snap off once it's fully tight.
It's like a Phillips. Put these on.
Snap them down.
You want to go?
Looks good.
Alright.
Voila! New seat cover.
You're proud of you.
And we should mention that it does come in 2 different sizes, so if you're looking to replace your toilet seat cover,
Yeah.
make sure you're picking the right size for your toilet bowl
Yes,
opening.
you can have.
This is considered round.
You can have a longer one.
Right,
too.
the other one's considered elongated, I think. Yeah, and this one's considered round.
Mhm.
Awesome! Yay! New toilet seat cover.